Good morning children. Welcome to math class. Children, last class we discussed ratios. Okay. Now we'll discuss about proportion. So for example children, you first see, then you know what is proportion. Nisa bought 2 bangles for 8 rupees and Sunita bought 6 bangles for 24 rupees. Who do you think got a better deal? Here children, two quantities are involved. Okay. The number of bangles and the cost. Okay. To find the answer, that we need to find the ratio of the bangles received by them and the ratio of their cost. So, the bangles and the cost, these two quantities are necessary. So, ratio of the bangles received by them, that is 2:6. Okay, 2 bangles and here 6 bangles. So, 2/6 is children 1/3. Then ratio of their cost. Cost is 8 rupees and 24 rupees. So, 8/24. So, 8:24 means children 8/24, that is 1:3. So, children 2:6 equal to 8:24. Okay, their values are same. As the two ratios are equal, they receive bangles at the same rate. So, when two ratios are equal, we say they are in proportion. We use the symbol, this one, okay, to show proportion. In the example discussed above, we can write like this: 2:6 double is to 8:24. So clear what is proportion? Then comes to here children, in generally we write like this: A is to B, double is to C is to D. Okay, where A, B, C and D are respectively the first, second, third and fourth terms. So, A is known as first term, B is known as second term, C is known as third term and D is known as children fourth term. Okay, the first and fourth terms are called extreme terms or extremes, and the second and third terms are known as children middle terms. Clear? Then the proportion A is to B, double is to C is to D gives A is to B equal to C by D, and we write like this: AD equal to BC. Okay. Thus, in a proportion, the product of extreme terms, the product of middle terms. So, this is one rule children, you remember. The product of extreme means A and D, AD, equal to the product of middle terms B and C, AD equal to BC. Here diagrammatically here shown, these are means and these are extremes. Okay, and this is proportion. Product of extremes equal to product of means. Then continued proportion. In a proportion, if the second and third terms are equal, then the proportion is called a continued proportion. So here children, you mark this one, what is written: in a proportion, if the second and third terms are equal. Okay, means here children, this is first, second, third, fourth term. Here second and third terms are children equal. So it is known as continued proportion. Okay. So this proportion is continued. Then mean proportion children. If the terms A, B and C are in continued proportions, then B is called the mean proportion of A and C. For example, if A, B, C are in continued proportion, then A is to B, double is to B is to C. Means A by B equal to B by C, means B squares equal to AC. Okay. The product of means equal to the product of extremes. Then third proportion. If the terms A, B, C are in continued proportion, then C is called the third proportion. Here children, you remember this box. If A by B equal to C by D, then AD equal to BC. Already we discussed. If A by B equal to B by C, then B square equal to AC. B is the mean proportion and C is called the third proportion. Okay, this one you remember. Now we discuss some examples. Example 7. In the proportion x is to 5, double is to 8 is to 20, find x. So here solution, remember that rules. Here x, 5, 8 and 20 are in proportion. So children, x by 5 equal to 8 by 20. Okay, means product of extremes equal to product of means. So 20 multiply x equal to 5 multiply 8. Okay, then x equal to this 20 will divide in RHS side. Okay, so 5 multiply 8 by 20. Then if we solve, we get x equal to 2. Then example 8. Find the third proportion of 10 and 20. Third proportion means children, we have to do what? This is first, this is second. So A, B and C are in proportion. Then B square equal to AC. So here A and B is given and question is asked what? Third proportion. So children, B square equal to AC. AC is unknown. Okay. So B square equal to 10 multiply C. Okay. Multiply C. So 10 C equal to 400. 20 multiply 20 is 400. If we exchange their places, so 10 C equal to 400 and C equal to 400 by 10 equal to 40. So the third proportion is 40. Children, very easy this one. Just you remember that formula, you put whether it necessary, then we find out the answer. Then example 9. Find the value of x if 8, 72 and x are in continued proportion. Children, we know continued proportion means second and third terms are equal. Okay, let's see the solution. Here 8, 72 and x are in proportion. So 8 is to 72, double is to 72 is to x. Already we know their second and third terms are equal. If we solve this one, means 8 by 72 equal to 72 by x, that is 8x equal to 72 multiply 72, then x equal to, just we divide, then we get our answer. Clear? Then example 10. The cost of 1 dozen bananas is 24 rupees. How much do 50 bananas cost? So here children, two quantities are given, bananas number and cost. So bananas 12 by 50 and 24 by x. So 12 is to 50, double is to 24 is to x. Okay. So if we solve this one, that is 12 multiply x equal to 24 multiply 50, then x equal to children 100. You see step by step solution. Then example 11. Vikas drives his car at a constant speed of 14 km per 12 minutes. How long will he take to cover 42 kilometer. So here also two quantities are there, their speed and the time. So 14 kilometer per 12 minutes and 42 kilometer by how much minute or how much time required. So time is to time and distance or speed is to speed. So 14 is to 42 and 12 is to x. If we solve this one, then we get 36 minutes. So children, these examples are very important and these rules are also important. First of all, you practice what are the terms which is known as mean proportion, which is known as continued proportion, which is known as third proportion, and also practice first this example 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. So this is your homework, children. First you practice these examples and learn the formula. Next video will discuss about exercise. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.